This is already becoming my favorite couch I've ever owned. My boneless couch finally arrived and I cannot wait to set this thing up. This is my loft area and I don't have much room here, and I was looking for something that would fit perfectly and be super comfortable. And I heard of these boneless couches and I absolutely had to get this. These have something to do with the frame, but we'll get into these after this sets up fully.
That thing's actually pretty big.
I just want to say how satisfying this is to open one of these up. It's been 48 hours since this has been set up and it's looking amazing. It's time to put the support on. So this right here is just the support frame and it kicks underneath the bottom just like this and it holds this together. So if you're leaning on here, it's actually really practical. I have one stuck in the back already. That's a wider one. And then we also get one on this side as well. This thing is pretty awesome. So this is made with a 33 density and a 60 firmness. I'm 150 pounds and laying on this, it feels really comfortable and it doesn't feel like it's like sagging or sinking. There's so many different ways that you can set this up. You can set this up as a bed. You can set this up as a divider. You can lay all this down, prop it back, and this can be so comfortable chilling out watching a movie. And if you're having a sleepover, you can divide this into 2 different sections so you can have separate beds. This thing is amazing. These pillows are super soft and I love how they come with them. Matches it perfectly. This is gonna be the dark gray corduroy. It also comes in an orange and a beige. There is so much room to chill out on this thing, and you can actually have 3 people on here, no problem, and I don't think you'd be cramped up at all. So if you want to kick back, watch a movie, this is absolutely perfect. The surface on here is easy to clean. All you gotta do is wipe with a cloth. You can use like a handheld vacuum cleaner to get off a little bit of lint or dust. It's scratch resistant and the corduroy material is just so soft. It's making me feel like a kid again. This also has a low odor foam, so you don't have to worry about strong smells. Tons of foam all the way throughout this. I love the fact that I can make this into a double bed if I have extra guests staying over. It makes this super practical. And this setup right here is probably one of my favorites because how many times have you sat down on the floor hanging out with your friends growing up? This brings you back to your childhood. Is absolutely perfect for just sitting here conversating. You could even put a board game in the center, some food, snacks, and just hang out, talk, and just have a good time. This setup right here is another one of my favorites and it's absolutely game changing. I can't tell you how many times me and my wife have been on a couch trying to sit and look at each other while we're both working our laptops. This is going to solve that problem, and now we can both kick back, relax, and we can look at each other and hang out on this super comfy cloud couch. I give this a 10 out of 10. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.